So, Dovi Liver Support is basically marketed as a supplement designed to support liver health and the body's natural detoxification processes. But when you see claims like detox and cleanse, I definitely look a little closer. The biggest thing to remember is that your liver already has its own natural detoxification system. A supplement containing herbs, vitamins, or antioxidants doesn't automatically mean it will remove toxins or repair liver damage. I'd also check the exact ingredients and dosages instead of just looking at the list of ingredients. Some ingredients may have limited evidence for specific liver-related benefits, but that doesn't prove that this particular formula will deliver the results advertised. So, is Dovi Liver Support worth buying? It might be a reasonable supplement for some people, but I wouldn't expect it to magically cleanse or restore your liver. And if you actually have a liver condition or take medication, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional before using supplements. Overall, I'd be skeptical of dramatic detox claims and focus more on the evidence, ingredients, dosage, and company reputation before buying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.